Hey everyone, I'm Wan Ziqing from the AI major, and I'm here to present my individual assignment for TWT 6223, Web Technique and Application. My project is titled Stock Analysis Web Application for Analytic Insight and Prediction. This application is fully browser-based, meaning it runs completely on a client side using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There's no backend or database involved. It was designed to allow users, especially beginners and students, to interactively simulate and analyze stock data, explore technical indicators, and even predict future prices. The stock analysis web application is a prototype tool built to help users better understand how stock data behave and how technical analysis works. It simulates real stock behavior and provides a platform for experimentation and learning. Using a fully functional front-end setup, the key design goals was to combine education and interactivity. So, user can visualize data in real time, draw their own conclusion, and save or present their finding directly from the browser. The project was built with five main objectives. The first one, to let users simulate and visualize stock trends without needing real data. Second, to help learners understand the use of technical indicators like RSI, MACD, and MA. Third, to build a prediction model using simple linear regression. Fourth, to offer a clean and responsive web interface that can be used by anyone with a browser. Fifth, and to enhance learning through hand-on tools like drawing and annotation. This project supports various essential features typically found in real trading platforms. Users can switch between line charts and candlestick chart. They can select the time period and define a custom moving average window. The system calculates and displays technical indicators like MA, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, volume status, and price momentum. There is a price prediction function that estimates the next day closing price. Interactive tools include draw, annotate, reset zoom, and export, all designed to encourage deeper chart analysis. In terms of my personal contribution, I built an entire system from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I manually wrote the logic for data simulation, chart rendering, and prediction. I designed the visual layout, including custom styling with CSS gradient, glowing buttons, and modern font. I also implemented interactive chat tools, allowing users to annotate directly and see those notes stored and displayed clearly. Finally, I structured the codes for future scalability, such as integration with real APIs. So now let's talk about interface presentation and navigation walkthrough. So now I will demo how to use the website. For the example I choose is Tesla. So input the Tesla in the search bar and click search top. It will show searching and successfully loaded if it come out. So for chart type, we have two. The first one is line chart and the second one is candlestick chart. These are the different. For the time period, we have 30 days to 1 year. And for moving average, from 5 to 200. For the Tesla stock price chart, we have four buttons right here. For example, mark point button. After we click it, it will show the window pop up to let me enter my annotation. As an example, XX. Then OK. And annotation added successfully. It will show the annotation below the chart. The date, the price, and also the name. If you want to remove the annotation, click the button beside here and annotation will be removed. If you want to reset zoom, press the reset zoom button. If you want to download the stock price chart, click export. And it will link to the File Explorer to download it. For the left-hand side panel, it shows the price prediction. Here is the Predict Next Price button. Click it. If something error occur, it will show us too. After it's successfully loaded, it will come out the graph. It will show the next day prediction right here and also the graph. The line here show the next day forecast. Scrolling down, here is a technical indicator that I introduced just now. This is the interface of my website. Before I begin the demo, I'd like to introduce the tool I use to develop and run this project. For coding, I use Visual Studio Code, a powerful and widely used code editor. As you can see, this is my final product. And I wrote HTML, CSS, and also JavaScript file in this environment. To test and view the final product, I simply open the HTML file directly in Google Chrome, which is my default browser. Here are some of the main features in action. Now, here is the main interface of my website. At the top, this is my title of my website. Below the title is the caption of my website. Analyze stock market trends and make informed investment decision. Below the header container is my search bar. As an example, I choose Tesla. After input Tesla, click the search stock. You can also choose the type of chart, line chart, or candlestick chart, time period, and also moving average to customize your analysis. This is the interactive stock price chart. It visually displays the stock performance over time. By default, the chart shows a line chart for last 30 days, and the purple dashed line represents the 20 days moving average. When you hover over the chart, two tips pop up showing the exact day and stock price for that point. This allows users to explore historical data easily. You can also interact with the chart using the button above it. Draw, mark point, reset zoom, and export. On the left, we have the stock information panel, showing symbol, current price, change, volume, high, and low. There is also a predict next price button which simulates the stock next closing price based on basic trend logic. Scrolling down, we can see the technical indicator section. Here, we display the key of moving average, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, volume status, and price momentum. This value help users better understand the stock strength, volatility, and potential turning point. At the bottom of the page, we provide an analysis summary. On the left, we show simplified trading signal, for example, buy MACD line above signal line, or bullish price above 20 days MA. On the right, a more detailed analysis is shown. For example, the RSI value and interpretation, MACD momentum, and how far current price is from the moving average. To show that I wrote and modified my own code, here are two specific examples.
So now I would like to make the background of my sidebar same with the background of my title, frosted and transparent. So now search sidebar in my CSS coding. This is the coding of my sidebar. So now change the background to transparent, save and refresh. The background of the sidebar become transparent. So now I would like to make it frosted and blur. Add one more row, backdrop filter to blur. Save and refresh. So the background of the sidebar become frosted and blur. Now it's almost same with the background of the title. But I need to add one more row for border. Change the color of the border into white and change the thickness to be 0.2. So now the background and the border of the sidebar same with the background of the title. So now I would like to change my title of my website, Stock Analysis Web Application. So now input the title of my website in HTML form. This is the title. And this is the caption. So I change the title into Hello World. Save and refresh. So the title of my website become Hello World.
For future improvements, I plan to connect the apps to real stock APIs for live updates. Upgrade the prediction model using machine learning. Convert it into a progressive web app PWA for mobile or on-fly use. Add users login and the ability to save and load chart annotation and history. To conclude, this project demonstrates how powerful front-end web development can be even without a backend. It provides a hands-on experience for learning technical analysis, exploring prediction, and practicing stock evaluation visually. Thank you for watching.